right, Bonnie. Let's start.
Okay. Sit up. Get ready to paddle. Take it away.
So you got to snap into the command now. Good thing.
Okay, guys. We want to really, at this time, we warmed up. We learned a little bit about paddling and technique. Now I want you to watch your stroke. I want you to keep up with the timing. Okay? Keep up, guys. You have to look at your strokes. Nobody announces a rate change. You have to always follow them. They might go faster or slower. Keep the timing, guys.
So you guys can do this.
Come on, guys. You can do this, guys. Don't look at your paddles. Keep the timing. Talk, guys. Okay, now watch the timing. Watch the timing. We're doing a drill. We're going faster, we're going slower. You're going to have to follow them. Don't look at your paddles, guys. Look at your stroke.